All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card to get BlockFi credit card rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency Chainlink. What's going on with that? Price is down right now. It's definitely a great discount buy. We're going to go over that numbers, go to their Twitter account, check out their website, do a little deep dive, and we're going to talk about power nodes. Can you make money with these power nodes? It's starting to be a big thing. Kind of go to their website, check that out too. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Chainlink. All right, right here, coin market cap, Chainlink is number 21 on the list. It's down almost 19%, 18.64%. I always talk about discount buys, 10%, 12, 15. You get over 15%, you want to pay attention to that. 18% down right now. Clicking it over here to the right in the last 24 hours, we're down 6%. Coin is traded at $21.57. Here's in the last 24 hours. So it kind of jumped off the mountain, came back down, bounced back up, and is trying to figure out where it's going to stabilize. What has it done in the last 7 days? Last 7 days, it's been kind of going, well, it went up and then it's kind of coming back down. Right now, again, 18, almost 19% down. Go to the holders. Click in 3 months. All right, here we go. So 3 months ago, there were 600,000 people holding the Chainlink cryptocurrency. 90 days later, 603, 645. So about 40,000 increase. 10% would be 60. So about a 7% increase. 7% more people holding the Chainlink in the last 90 days. Not bad at all. Over here at the website, Securely Connect. We'll do a little price prediction a little bit later. Securely Connect smart contracts with off-chain data and services. Chainlink decentralizes network provides tamper-proof inputs, outputs, and computation to support advanced smart contracts on any blockchain. And to support advanced smart contracts on any blockchain. Develop with Chainlink, explore your solutions. It's got your total value right here, 76 billion. Smart building your hybrid smart contracts with Chainlink. Couple things here, highly secure and flexible infrastructure, reliable tamper-proof network, seamless connection to any API. What is Chainlink? Here we go.
The Chainlink network offers a solution to the age-old problem. Garbage in, garbage out, which means that an application can only produce high-quality results with high-quality data. Chainlink provides decentralized applications with the definitive truth about the external world, so they can trigger reliable, real-world outcomes. You have probably heard how blockchain-based smart contract applications will change the way the world exchanges value and facilitates agreements. But there is a problem. A blockchain security is derived from a decentralized network of independent validators who purposefully limit their connection to the outside world. To securely retrieve data from the outside world, smart contracts require an additional piece of infrastructure known as an oracle. The data that controls smart contracts needs to meet the highest possible standards because it will directly control billions and eventually trillions of dollars in value. But what if you could leverage the same decentralized computation guarantees used to secure the blockchain to securely retrieve and validate the data smart contracts require? Chainlink is a decentralized oracle network that provides smart contracts a tamper-proof and highly available connection to all of the world's highest quality data feeds. With Chainlink, a smart contract can access data pertaining to financial markets, cryptocurrency prices, weather, sports results, IoT sensor readings, and any other real-world validated data needed to enable more robust and useful blockchain-based applications. Chainlink provides the definitive truth about the real world for high-value smart contract applications for any blockchain network, securely connecting the world's existing infrastructure to the emerging blockchain infrastructure that aims to redefine it.
All right there on the website, what is Chainlink? So give us your comments in the bottom. Do you have some Chainlink? Are you going to get some Chainlink? I mean, 18 to 19% down. This is El Salvador likes to call it buying the dip. This would be a fantastic time to buy the dip. All right, what about these power nodes? People are getting nodes and they're actually generating income, passive income. Is this something that could actually make money? Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. We're all learning this together. Right over here, CoinMarketCap, power nodes. They're $29.89 on the actual list. They're traded at $21. The token is actually up 29% in the last 24 hours. So that's some fantastic news. Take a look in the last 7 days here. 7 days ago, the coin was at, by the looks of this, it looks like 7 days ago this token was $2.77, and it's actually jumped all the way up to $21. That's fantastic. Then it came back down to $10, and now it's actually on its way back up to $18 and $20, so that's fantastic. So Power Nodes. It says Power Nodes aims to be a community-driven, value-added protocol that is both open and transparent with no hierarchy. By purchasing a Power Node on our website, anyone can easily and freely join the protocol and gain access to the yields. 10 Power tokens are required to get one Power Node and begin generating passive long-term income. After that, each Power Node produces 0.7 Power token per day. So 0.7 would be 70% of this. So that'd be about $14, $15. All right, so let's go to their website. All right, it says, welcome to Power Nodes. From the console, you will view, manage, and launch Power Nodes. You can also see how many rewards have been allocated and claimed. Then, if you want, you can use to create more Power Nodes, and a maximum of 100 per wallet. All right. It says right here, you can earn money every day with a 636,300% percentage yield. You only need 10 Power tokens to get started. To allocate rewards to yield, the Power efficiency returns the protocol-owned liquidity with returns from the DeFi project, from the DeFi protocol across numerous chains. Once you're set up with the node, your job is done. Relax and enjoy your time as we research and identify attractive yield generation solutions for you. Every day, all account holders receive rewards. Buy it now, you'd click it, and you would go ahead and do your swap, and you'd get your nodes. You got to at least get 10 of them. And there it is. It's on the Phantom Network. So look, it's on the Spooky Swap. So it's kind of spooky as you're doing it, but the Phantom is got the theme of spookiness. It says launch the app. If you launch the app here, it kind of talks about your rewards, talks about your generation. Welcome to Power. From the console, you can view, manage, and launch Power generations. You can see how many rewards have been allocated and then claimed here. Pretty cool here. Join our community, approve the contract, generate it. So you would do everything right here. You would connect your wallet up at the top. You got the white pages of what it's all about. Kind of where all the money is actually broken down to. All right, so that's a little bit about Power Nodes. Just wanted to throw that in today with the Chainlink. Do you have a few Power Nodes? Are you thinking about it? Price is around 20. They think it's going to go up to 100 one day possibly. But it was just at $2 to $3 and $7. So the price seems to be all over the thing. What are your thoughts? Do you like the Power Nodes? Is this something to look into? I don't know. All right, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. A goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand it, have some projects with cryptocurrency, and kind of looking for that financial freedom with the cryptocurrency. All right, let's head back over to Chainlink. All right, so we just watched that little video on Chainlink. That was pretty good. Power the future of smart contracts. So AAVE, all kinds of different things they're partnered up with. View the data feeds. Start building with Chainlink today. Read more guides. Join Chainlink's global open source community, which is pretty good. Back over here to CoinMarketCap. So just to show you, like in the last 3 months, Chainlink was all the way up to $35 right here. $36. It was $26. What's our price prediction? I mean, everything's down right now, 18, 19%. I think it easily can go back up to $24, $25. Should you buy the dip and get yourself back to where the 19%? So you have to ask yourself, do you think Chainlink's going down or is it going to bounce back up? Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But Chainlink is number 20 on CoinMarketCap. And again, down right here, 18%. Kind of looking at the top 10. Polkadot's down 12%. Solana's down 10%. Cardano's down 10%. BNB's down 4%. Ethereum's down 7%. And Bitcoin's right at that 41,800. All right, everybody, a little Chainlink cryptocurrency. Do you have a little bit? Do you like this cryptocurrency? Do you have any project on it? The video was pretty good. It explained everything. Also, the power nodes. I don't know. We're going to be talking about the drip network, talking about power nodes, talking about strong nodes, all kinds of good stuff here. All right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.